I seen there was a little bit of water in the back light of the arosa, so I thought I would get it out. See what it is. I don't even know what it is on the seat of roses. I know that you could fit a flathead or a torque in the loopholes, but might be different. See, it's filled with water. The Volkswagen Lupo's never had a cover over the screw, either they did. The fixing. Is it like in here today? Oh, never even took my impact in the fucking garage. Never. Oh yeah. Way. Fisheye effect. Going to get new lights for the workshop today because they're up there and broken, but we'll sort out, get better lighting. May as well take this cover off. I can't get it in. One-handed is rubbish. Rust. That's the bin lorry coming through, if ever you can hear it. Surprisingly, all the terminals look perfect. I wonder what they're like underneath the bulbs. Fine. Surprised. Right, I'm going to get this water out because it looks like the one-handed technique is not happening. Right, it looks like it's double skin pressed on top of each other, so it's like a separate housing on top of it. I'm going to have to separate it. I don't know if I'll put it in the oven. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll see. I maybe put a tiny hole up. Oh, it's dripping. Could be perseverant and just let it drip. We'll see. My idea's made up. I'm just going to heat up the Kirby, the hair clip, and I'm going to pierce a hole through, to be honest. The arosa light's something that sort after, to be honest. It'll be a lupo Cambridge light, it will be the one you'll be looking for. Right, let's go heat it up and get it done. Kirby's starting to glow. Here we go. Pierce the hole in the corner, see what happens. Oh, the water will leak out. Take it outside. There you go, the water's trickling out. Just gonna let that trickle out and get it back in the car. And that Bravati light. No more water in it. Another job done for the Seat Arosa. I give the wee lighthouse and a wee wash because it's absolutely horrible. If I don't do it, well, that would disgrace its life. That's clean, we'll go sort the lines back together. Right, moved. And the wee water hole worked perfect, nothing left in it, all dried out. Should hair dry it though just to get rid of that. Get rid of all the condensation, but here we go. That'll do the job. Tell me about the screws if you see it. Oh, I've seen it. So you don't need to watch me struggle with a screwdriver just with my fingers just now. I'll get better with a one-handed screwdriver. Oh, I hear that rain coming. That's my Polo 9N3. I'm gonna run away from it now. Holes at the side, just push them in, locate it, and then wherever you dropped your screw, it's your own fault. I will. Wonder if I put it in the car, out the car, no idea. Oh, the cap's in here. Is in there. Right, well, we'll need to find that. I'll maybe take the light out and defog it at a later time, but at least it's not filled with frog-eyed water. All done. We'll give you a hint and tip what's happening next for this speaker. The exhaust is... Hi there, I wonder what that's hold on by. Hello! Right, well, another job done before the rain comes.